Now we have called this the dream job. Why dream job? Why not just be realistic? Well, there's a reason. When you talk about dream job, you're talking about the diagram you're creating in this workshop, the flower. Are you going to find it? Will you find that picture, that dream job? Maybe, but not too likely. What you're more likely to find is an overlap between your dream job and the job you actually find, an overlap. And in that overlap, you've got to decide what's important to you. Say there are 10 factors in your dream job that you're dying to find. There's 10 factors, but one of them counts more to you than the others. So in the overlap between those two circles, where are the important things? Are they still in the dream job, or are they in the overlap between the dream job and the job you actually find? I guarantee you, if you think you've found your ideal job, but it's only that you have certain factors you don't care that much about, I guarantee you you're going to be very unhappy in that job. If, however, in the overlap you say, oh, I've got at least the first 5 things that I care the most about, then I guarantee happiness. So because you're only going to get a slice of your dream job that you're drawing here in this workshop in the first time you go out looking for work after this, because you're only going to find a slice of it, the important question is, a slice of what? And the answer has to be something big, something really big. Then if you get a slice of that, you're halfway home, particularly if it has the first half of all the factors you care the most about. So let your imagination go. Don't be realistic. Try to say, if I could find my dream job, it would look like this, and that's the flower. And then you say, and if it gets just part of that, but it has the things I care the most about, I'm halfway home. If I dream big. But if I dream small, and I just said, I'm just going to be realistic here, and you only get a share of that, you've already cut your dream down to 1/4 or 1/8 of what it could be. So the important thing here is dream. Let your imagination go free. Say exactly what you want. Don't try to be realistic. And you will find that you are creating a beautiful portrait that will help you actually find most of what you're looking for.